Hey friends, it's Miss Withers with Unit 5, Week 3, Day 3 word work. We are still learning about consonant LE syllables. So let's take a look at our learning targets for today. First, identify consonant LE spellings and read and spell words with consonant LE syllables. Remember, a consonant is any letter that is not a vowel. So remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. And our consonants are those other letters that aren't the vowels. So let's take a look at our first example. Trouble. How many syllables does this word have? Trouble. Trouble. 2 syllables. What is the consonant LE syllable in this word? Well, it has 2 syllables, and I know the consonant is any letter that is not a vowel followed by an LE. Aha. I see that right here. B-L-E is my consonant LE syllable. Let's look at our next example. Middle. How many syllables does this have? Middle. Middle. Mid. Ooh, trying to make that line smaller. Middle. Middle. Okay. So how many syllables did we count? Middle. 2 syllables, 2 beats. Middle. What is the consonant LE? A lot of times it comes towards the end of the word. I see a D-L-E. A D is our consonant. L-E is how the word ends. Our next example. Dimple. 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 2 syllables or 2 beats. And what is the consonant LE syllable in this word? P is a consonant followed by an LE. Dimple. And finally, little. 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 2 syllables, little. And I see right at that end there, T is our consonant, followed by an LE to make our consonant LE syllable, B-T-L-E. So your job for today, you are going to highlight the consonant LE in each word and sort the words after highlighting. So you're going to highlight all of these words and then sort them according to if they are BLE, DLE, PLE, TLE. There, I sang for you. Depending on which consonant LE is in each word. Then, after that, you will submit. Good luck!